Hello children, today we are going to start a new topic, that is average. Let us understand this concept with the help of this picture. In this picture, height of 5 men is given, which ranges between 150 centimeter and 180 centimeter. For the sake of approximation or estimation, we can say that the height is about 168 centimeter. It ranges between the smallest value and the biggest value. The biggest value is 180 centimeter and the smallest is 150 centimeter, and we say the middle value is 168 centimeter, which ranges between 150 centimeter and 180 centimeter. Now 168 is the value around which अदर नंबर्स कॉन्ग्रीगेट. इस वैल्यू के आसपास ये दूसरे नंबर्स भी इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू इज इन बिटवीन द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू एंड द बिगेस्ट वैल्यू. सो एन एवरेज इज अ सेंट्रल वैल्यू और मिडिल वैल्यू ऑफ अ सेट ऑफ अनइक्वल वैल्यूज. Set of unequal values. All numbers are different, you see, but the central value is 1 around which other numbers congregate, and that represents the whole series of observation. सारे numbers को वो represent करती है. That is the central value, which is also termed as an average. Now, average helps you to calculate how to make all the units present in the list equal. Now, here a pile of 6 pencils is given, 11 pencils and 7 pencils is given. Now, how to make all these piles equal? इन सारी pencils की piles को हम कैसे equal कर सकते हैं? When we move some of the pencil of this pile to first pile and to second pile. So if we move 2 pencils from this pile to this pile, we get 8, and 1 pencil from this pile to this pile, we get 8. So we have equalized all the piles where we get 8 pencils and 8 pencils. In other words, we have equalized all the piles. हर पाइल को इकट्ठा एक जैसा कर लिया. इसका मतलब नहीं है कि उस पाइल में 6 हैं, 11 है और 7 है तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ एस्टिमेशन वी कैन से दीज आर 3 piles where each pile has 8 pencils. Now let us understand this concept with an example. Suppose your friend has scored 3 marks out of 10 in English, 8 out of 10 in maths and 4 out of 10 in science. Now if we add all these 3, we get 15. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So we can say that he has scored 15 marks out of 30 in all 3 subjects. Or we can say he has scored on an average 5 marks in each subject. For the sake of estimation, we can say that he has scored 5 marks in each subject. That doesn't mean their marks have been reduced or increased, but for the sake of estimation, we say the average marks are 5. To find out average, there is one formula. Total sum of all numbers divided by number of items in the set. Means sum of all the numbers in the set divided by number of items in the set. जितने भी numbers हैं उन सबका total divided by number of items given in the set. Now on the basis of this formula, we will find out the average of 25, 45 and 65. Now we add all the given values. The total comes as 135. And we will divide the result 135 by 3 because there are 3 numbers, 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. So there are 3 numbers. We will divide 135 by 3. So we get 45. Or we can say the average of three numbers is 45. In the same way, you can find out height and weight of a group of people and rainfall, temperature of a particular region. So, I hope this concept is clear to you now. That's all for today. Bye-bye.